Panel is stable. Now for the voltage test. Readings are good. All systems go.
These batteries are the heart of the ship. They provide vital backup power when everything else fails. But how do they actually work? Let's break down the science behind them right now.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In today's video, we will learn about one of the most important sources of emergency power on board a ship, the lead acid battery. A lead acid battery is a rechargeable battery that stores chemical energy and converts it into electrical energy when required. It is widely used on ships for emergency power supplies, emergency generator, starting system, UPS systems, communication equipment and various control circuits. A lead acid battery consists of positive plates made of lead dioxide PbO2 and negative plates made of spongy lead Pb and electrolyte of dilute sulfuric acid. During discharge, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy to supply power to the connected load. During charging, the process is reversed, restoring the battery to its full charged condition. You can see is a dilute sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, and distilled water. And we are mixing the electrolyte, one part of sulfuric acid and 3 parts of distilled water. That is how we prepare the electrolyte. Now each lead acid cell produces approximately 2 volts. Therefore, 12 cells connected in series produces 24 volt DC, which is the most common battery voltage used on board ships for emergency and control systems. Lead acid batteries play a vital role in ensuring the safety of the vessel and its crew. They provide a reliable 24 volt DC emergency power supply for essential equipment such as emergency lighting, LDS lamp, GMDSS equipment, communication system, alarm and monitoring systems, emergency generator starting circuits, and embarkation lights, etc. In the event of a main power failure, the ship's emergency generator automatically starts to restore essential services. However, if the emergency generator also fails to start, the battery system becomes the final source of electrical power for critical safety equipments. This is why lead acid batteries are considered one of the last lines of defense for the safety and survival of the crew during emergency situations at sea. They ensure that vital communication, navigation and emergency lighting system remain operational when they are needed the most. Because of their reliability, simplicity and ability to deliver high starting current, lead acid batteries continue to be one of the most widely used battery types in the maritime industry. Thank you for watching Marine Electrical Made Easy. If you found this video help, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more marine electrical knowledge. See you in the next video. Thank you.